Allison here from Red Heart. Just like its name implies, Scrubby cotton is a uniquely textured yarn, created especially for knit and crocheted dishcloths in the kitchen and washcloths for the bath. This member of the Scrubby family, Scrubby cotton, is 100% cotton and is a number 4 medium weight yarn. We like Scrubby cotton for a spa-like experience. It's extra absorbent, while the texture is perfect for an invigorating cloth at bath time. You can see that all of the colors are ideal for accents in a relaxing home bathroom. Your Scrubby cloths will be easy to care for too. Just throw them in the washing machine on the gentle cycle and tumble dry low. I like to have a few Scrubbies on hand, so when I'm invited to a get-together, I can pair the Scrubby with a nice lotion, soap, or bath bomb for a quick hostess gift. Each solid color ball of Scrubby cotton is 3.5 ounces and about 145 yards per ball, while the print are a 3-ounce ball with about 121 yards. For more information, go to redheart.com.